If you've ever looked into getting into Propress style fittings for doing plumbing, you know that those electric Propress presses or Propress style presses are really expensive. This is a manual version of that tool. Let's just check it out and see how it works. So first thing we got to do is make sure we got the right size die in here. So we take the end, and we open it up, and then we got a little button in here. You press down, and then you got to slide out your dies. And we're going to put in the 3/4 inch dies. All right, so our dies are in. Now we're going to press this thing. Okay, so here's what you do. You got your pipe, you got your fitting, you bottom out your fitting on your pipe, then you take your press tool and you set the tool around the pipe. So there's a little divot here that the edge here of the pipe sits in. Just goes right in there. Close your jaws, lock them, then there's a little spinner here. You make sure you turn this to on because this is hydraulically powered. So we're going to just be pressing this by hand to press this fitting on. And if you look real close, you can see that the little jaws are slowly closing around that fitting. And then this is just what we do for a little bit. Pump until you hear the thing hiss. Once it's hissing, that's the pressure release going off. This thing has now been crimped sufficiently. Turn this guy to off. The jaws open up. Hit your flipper. Smack your pipe. And this thing has now been crimped on the pipe. So that's about all there is to it. A manual tool to do what those really, really expensive tools we've seen on all the viral videos does. For doing some DIY at-home plumbing. Maybe you don't want to do, 100 houses with this thing, but if you're just working around your own place and you want to use copper with these press style fittings, you could do a lot worse. We'll just put it that way. We'll see ya. Okay, so this kit comes with the press tool, it comes with a cutter, and it comes with a reaming tool. We're going to try this out on some thick wall 3/4 inch pipe and just see how it does. So we're going to loosen it up, put it in the gap. There we go. Spin this guy around until it cuts through the pipe. Now this again is more thick wall 3/4, so this is the heavy duty stuff. There we go, cut through like butter. The end of this thing already has a bit of a bevel on it, so that's good. And then we take this reamer and we just kind of run it around on the inside of this pipe. Really nice, simple, easy way to get rid of the burrs and give yourself a smooth surface to work with. So that's about it. All right, that's looking good. We're ready to press this thing.